Good morning, students. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you switch on your videos fast. Yeah, first note down the questions of week 6. So first we are going to complete week 6 questions. Note down the questions, then tell me who will do the question. First question. It's very easy. Okay. Have you written the questions? Week 6. So the first program is to create an empty dictionary using the dict method. Then followed by you have to add the element one element at a time. Then you can update the existing keys values, and you can access an element's key using get method and deleting a key using del method. That means all these methods you have to apply over here. So how to write this program? Same program I have copied over here. Question I have copied. Okay. Now, how to create an empty dictionary? Tell me, respond. How to create an empty dictionary? So I can
we'll take a variable and we write equal to in flower brackets empty.
Yeah, dict method you can use, or you can open and close the flower braces. Okay, and so empty dictionary is created. So Fine. So up to this, empty dictionary is created. Okay. Right. Next, what you have to do? What is the question given? You have to add elements at a time. So how many elements you have to add? So let me read a variable int of input of. Okay, I'm reading the number of elements. N is nothing but the number of elements. I want to read. Okay. Now, some message let me give so that right. Done. Then for those number of elements, can I write a loop for I in range of how many times? N times. Right. So what you have to read? You have to read one key and one value. So let us take two variables, key and value, and simply I can read it from the console by writing input dot split. Okay. So I'm reading one key value, both two values I'm giving, it is splitted and stored into the appropriate variables k and v. Now how will you insert? So by giving the key, you can write down the value. Is this thing clear? Now this for loop will run for n times. How many times you want to read the number of elements based on the n value, that many times loop will run. And once your dictionary is ready, simply I am printing. So original dictionary, right? So which is nothing but your D. Okay. So creating a dictionary, adding elements one at a time is over. Update a dictionary's key. Okay. So how will you update it? So updating. What is given? Updating a key, right? How will you update? Suppose for example, n value is 5. Suppose I want to update the third key as with some value. Okay, if I'll run it, then it will be understood. Okay, let me run it so far. So after updating a key, what is the dictionary? You can print. So second part is also over. Okay. What is third part? Access an element using a key and also a get method, right? How will you access an element? Accessing an element using key. How will you do that? Suppose I want to write D of 1. So 1 is the key. So it will give you the corresponding value. Next is accessing an element using get method, right? What should you, what we should write? Yes, what should I write? Using get method. Can I write D dot get of, suppose any key you give, suppose the third key. Okay. Now, the fourth one is, this is third one is accessing an element using a key and also get method. Now deleting a key using del method. Okay. Okay. Up to this, let us run it first. Enter the number of elements. Empty dictionary is printed. Suppose there are 5 elements are there. Okay. 1. Okay. I need to give continuous values. It's a wait one second. Input dot split. Okay. So here D of 3 I have given. That's why it is showing error. Okay. Somewhere again I have given. What is that key error?
Ma'am, you have given integer 1 instead of string 1.
Which one?
Last second line, ma'am. It should be D of quote of 1.
This one you are saying?
No, ma'am. Above it.
Accessing an element using key.
Yes, D of quote of 1.
Right? Okay, I have taken all strings, right?
Yes.
Okay. So that is the error here. Yes, yes. These are all keys or strings. Okay. So otherwise I can change this to integer. Anyway, this is no. Invalid literal because key should be wait. Reading a dictionary part is correct or not? Let us check first. Suppose two elements I am giving. Okay. Yeah. So making a dictionary is correct. Okay. Now then I am second key. Then wait. So you want this to be a string, right? You are telling like this, right? Let us check once. Yes. Okay. So number of dictionaries. So I have created two elements in the dictionary and I have modified. So after updation, the key is now the value is changed. Okay. Now accessing the element using the key. So if you will give any key, suppose I'm giving 2 over here. So it should give me the value and get off 2, right? Is it correct, Habib?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose I'm giving 3 elements, one subject, 2 chemistry, 3 physics. Okay. Okay, now the original dictionary is printed. After updation, the second key has been changed. So accessing an element using the key. So it is given D of 2, which is lab, value is lab, and using get method, this is lab. Okay, is this understood, students? First question. Now what is asked, last question is deleting a key value pair. Okay, so how will you delete a key value pair? Deleting a key. Okay, to delete a key, you can use del, suppose D of 2 or D of 2. So it can be deleted. Okay. After deletion, you can check the dictionary. Okay. So updation is taking place, accessing is okay, deleting a key value pair. So second key value pair is deleted. Okay, please note down. The first question is how to create an empty dictionary. Why your videos are off today? Switch on your video, students. All of you switch on your videos. So all the schools and colleges are reopening from Monday. So prepare yourself, complete all the pending tasks and get ready for the exams also. Have you written the question? Have you written the solution? Is it understood or not? So many are still sleeping. Okay. Second question, who will do? Check your second. Okay. Switch on your videos. Kameswari, Vanu Prakash, Deepak, Manjunath, Anjusri, Bhavani. Check out the next question. Who will do? It's very easy. Create a dictionary and apply the following methods. One is called pop, pop item, and clear method. Okay.
Ma'am,
Yeah. Tell me.
ma'am, after the print original dictionary, comma, the step
Which one, ma? After the
print original dictionary, comma, after we give the value of dictionary to key and for loop, ma'am.
for loop you are talking?
After the for loop, we have the print statement, madam.
Yes, that is outside the for loop.
Yes, ma'am. After that, we have D of in
See,
quotations.
see, suppose n is 3 or 4. So we are first reading those many, suppose n is equal to 3. So 3 key value pairs we are reading and we are storing into the dictionary. Okay. Now that is the original dictionary. We have 3 key value pairs. Now the second key value pair, the second key, for the second key, I am modifying the value. You can see in the output. So I have given, these are my key value pairs, 4 key values pairs I have given. This is the original dictionary that I have printed. Okay.
Yes,
now
ma'am.
I want to update a key. So for this key, this value is updated. Earlier, this value was C, right? Now this is updated to lab.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Next,
Ma'am, if we do not give quotations, will it treat it as index?
see what is given here, input dot split. That means by default, whatever I am typing here, that is treated to be string, right? One is a string and Python is also a string. So
Yes.
input dot split. Input is 1 and Python. The whole string is splitted into 2 strings, and then one is stored into K and V is stored as that Python is stored into V, right? So here keys are, can you observe the keys? Keys are also strings. Keys are strings and values are also strings. That's the reason the second key I want to update. So it is given in quote only because it is a string.
Yes, ma'am.
So similarly, whenever you are accessing a particular key value, then you have to give the key in string. Hope it is
Okay.
clear now. So if you do
Yes,
not
ma'am.
want to make it, you want to read the key as integer, then your wish, you can read it separately instead of reading in one line.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, shall you go for the next question? The next question is to create a dictionary. That means up to this part, it is common, right? Let me take up to this part. Creating a dictionary is common. So creating a dictionary part is common here. So after creating the dictionary, what is asked? That you have to use the pop method. So you can write only print statement and let us go for popping. Okay. How will you use the pop method? Tell me.
D dot pop, ma'am.
D dot pop. Directly, shall I write over here? Okay. D dot pop. Pop based on some indexing you can do. Okay. Or you want to go for simple pop. Okay. Simple pop also you can write. What is asked? Pop method only asked, right? Okay. A particular element you give, that's better. Next question is asked regarding pop item, right? If you want to see the popped element, then you have to store it into a variable and then you have to print it, which element is popped. Okay. So that also you can do it. Next is what is that? Pop item. What should I write here? Pop item. What should I write here? What should I write here? Pop item.
D dot pop.
Hmm. Pop item is a method, right? I should write any key over here.
It will
No,
pop
ma'am.
the last.
It already pops the last one.
So I need not write the key, right?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. What is asked in the last method? Clearing the dictionary.
Clear.
Okay. So simply clear, you can write it down. Okay. So let us run and check. pop of 2. Okay, this Java is coming. And pop item method will give the key value pair, correct? And the final one is clearing the dictionary. Okay. Okay. Write it down. This is very simple. Now, what is the third question? To merge two dictionaries, right? Using update method. I'm not well today. Hope you will adjust. I'm not able to teach my class properly. Okay, it's over. Next question. What is the next question? Is it merging two dictionaries or finding the? Please share someone's screen and do this program. I'll show you the question. Sum of all items in the dictionary. And last question is merging. We will do the third question. I'll give you the screen sharing option. Yeah, shall I stop sharing it? Finding the sum of all items in a dictionary. Anybody would like to do? Please respond, please. Students, please respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Will you do, Asta?
I'll first do it, then I'll share.
Okay. Sum of all items in the dictionary. Okay. Okay, D is a dictionary. You take it first. Like that, you create some dictionary elements. Okay. Right. So for I in range of, do you have a length function in dictionary?
We
Yes,
can
ma'am.
also use values, man. Values function.
Ma'am, I'll share.
Please share. No, I'm not able to do anything. I'll stop sharing. Why you have made it so complicated?
Ma'am, to get a random dictionary.
You explain, others should understand also.
Ma'am, for every month, I'm taking a random integer between 29 and 31.
Okay.
Number of days
Hmm.
for every month from 1 to 12.
Hmm.
Then I'm adding their values.
Run it and show the output first. You could have written a simple loop also, right?
First month, 29 days.
Random number it is generated from 29 to 31. Hmm.
Yes, ma'am. Then I'm adding all the days.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, anybody else? It's good. So the code one. We are using random integer from the random library. Anybody else will do? Just you put a for loop also what I was writing, and you can add the values.
Ma'am, can I share? I did it, ma'am.
Okay, let him complete what he is writing, then next we'll go for. Yeah, Hardik, it is correct. What you wrote. In the same loop, you write down, no? Some variable you take and yeah, the same loop you can write instead of writing outside. Sum is equal to sum plus int of v, you can write down. Now that part is correct. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, you can remove all this. That's correct. Some others could be. Yeah, very good. This is the simplest way of doing. Yeah, all of you note down. So the code ones. Import random also you can remove here. Okay, completed students. Last program is merging the dictionaries, right? Okay, who will do last program? Ashraf, you have written this program in any other logic?
Ma'am, I directly took the sum, the built-in function and did it, ma'am.
Okay, okay, share once. Habib and
Yes, ma'am.
share. Share one. Okay, built-in function, this is also correct. Okay, fine. What is that d dot values you are storing, right? Into a variable. Inside the loop itself, we could have done this part. Okay, anyway. Okay, anybody has done in any other logic?
Ma'am, I'll stop sharing, ma'am.
Okay, next question. Next question is merging two dictionaries using update method. So first of all, to create two dictionaries, D1 and D2, then D2 dot update of D1, you can write. D2 dot update of D1 you write and print D2 dictionary. Who will try? Share your screen, please. I'll help you. Please do it. Aprameyo, would you like to share?
No, actually, I was absent from 3, 4 classes.
Manikandam, 62 roll number. Sairam, 35. Deepak, who will share the screen? Share it and show me. Bhagesri, are you there, ma? Divya, roll number 40. Harika. Kameshwari, would you like to share your screen? Responsive bro. Huh? 25, Deepak. Roll number 25, Deepak. Share your screen, Deepak.
Ma'am, I'll do it and share it.
No problem. You, while sharing, you do it. What's the problem? Sham
Okay.
Sai. Share your screen. Make it fast. Share your screen.
Is it visible, ma'am?
Not yet. Yeah. So take
Okay.
two dictionaries or create two dictionaries. String. Make it string. Yeah, yeah. D2. Navan ready. Next, you have to share your screen. Okay.
Next, adding those.
D2 dot update of D2 dot method is update within bracket D1. D1. Okay, then print D2.
Shall I run it?
Print D2.
Yes, ma'am, I've given it.
Run it and show. That is the output.
Yeah.
Mm,
But no, I'm checking only.
It's not updated, right?
Ma'am,
D2 must be updated.
Ma'am, should I share?
And share it. And share Deepak once. Two dictionaries you have created. D1 dot update of D2. Okay, same thing only. Okay, good. So two dictionaries is created and then updated. D1 dot update of D2 or D2 dot update of D1. You can do it. This is called simplest merging. All of you complete this and go for, this is week 6, right? Week 7 also you have to do. All of you note down. I will be back in just 5 minutes. Yeah, unshare it, unshare the screen. Next, we'll come to week 7, that is strings. Yeah, read the first question. Who will do? Given a string, write a program to check if the string is symmetrical, palindrome or not. The string will be symmetrical if both halves are same, and palindrome, you know, the string and its reverse both are same.
Shall I do it, ma'am?
Yeah, very good. Share your screen.
Can you see that?
Yes, first half, second half, reverse. Yeah. Very good, ma'am. Very good. That's correct. Just increase your font size so that others can see properly. Go to options. Configure ideal. Yeah, size you increase that to 20. Apply it. Right. Yes, students. How to find out the first half and second half she has written using the slicing, and then she is comparing so that it is symmetrical or not to check that. And for reversing, she has used again indexing double colon -1. All of you note down this program. Anybody else would like to do in any other logic? Why the videos are off again? Switch it on. Anybody else would like to do in any other logic? You can try and you can share your screen. Okay, run your program once. Harika, run your program. Share your screen, Harika, after running your program. Harika, share your output window also. Are you listening to me, Harika?
Yes, ma'am. I shared, ma'am.
No, we can't see. We can see your the first one.
Wait. Now can you see, ma'am?
No, ma.
Just copy paste the output in this window only.
Yeah, that will also work. After running that output also you can paste it. Otherwise, at that window you have to share it. Okay, anybody else has done this program? Okay, please.
Can you see now, ma'am? Output.
Yeah, you have written only symmetrical checking you have done.
Yeah, I'll do another one.
Any other logic anybody has tried? Would you like to share? Dhruv, have you tried
No, ma'am.
same logic? What others are just
Ma'am, I only did until palindrome, ma'am. Symmetric I'm doing, ma'am.
do it.
Ma'am,
Tell me. Tell me. What others you are just keeping quiet? Try at least. Do it and share. Hardik, are you there today?
Yep.
Where are you? I can't see you. Okay, very good. So this is correct for the first question's output.
Shall I stop sharing, ma'am?
Yeah, yeah. Everybody has written this output, students? Students, everybody has written this code. Say at least yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, stop sharing now. Second question you read. Write a program to read a string and count the number of vowels and print all the letters except E and S. Who will do it? First try it and then share your screen. Only 45 students are there today. Make it fast. Week 7 you complete fast.
ma'am, the symmetrical, ma'am,
Yeah.
the symmetrical question I actually used a list statement,
Show
list,
me.
and then I reversed it.
Show me once. Share your screen. Where you have done symmetrical checking. Are you able to hear me? Ashraf?
Yes, ma'am.
Symmetrical checking where you are doing? You have
I still
converted
didn't
the
do.
string
I
into
sh-
list. No, that.
Until
Hmm.
symmetric, I mean palindrome, I did, ma'am. So I instead of that logic, I actually used the list method. I mean the list and
Yeah,
reversed it, ma'am.
reversed it, but that much is not required. That was a shortcut. Because the meaning of symmetric is also given in the question. First half and second half, you have to find it out and then you have to match it. That is the meaning of symmetric. What she did, that is correct. Habib, do you have any other logic?
No, ma'am.
Same thing? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Next question you do.
But ma'am, what if the string is of odd length?
Odd length also we are doing integer division, na? It will work. For odd
Unequal
length,
halves will get now, ma'am. Anyway.
Harika, share your screen once more.
1
And-
minute, ma'am.
And run it with odd length. It will work.
No, I mean to say no string of odd length should be symmetrical.
Yeah, that is the meaning of symmetrical, right? Not symmetrical, that is. If both the halves are same, then it cannot be a different length, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Next question, who will do? So one is vowel checking. Second one is you have to print the string except E and S, right? So only two for loops you write. Do it. Read a string. You have to enter a string. Okay. Now suppose I'm taking all the vowels here. Take a variable which will count the number of vowels. Okay. You can print the number of vowels. Next question is what? Accept those characters. Okay. Not equals to the character E and I is not equals to the character. That's right. One second. Hello, madam. Good morning. Okay, students, C and D, you try. Madam is joining. C and D, you do it.
Students, have you completed? Hello,
Yes, ma'am.
have you completed or trying?
Doing, ma'am.
Okay. Hello, students.
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
Have you completed A? Still trying? If anyone completed, inform me, okay?
Ma'am completed A, ma'am. Like Padmaja ma'am completed A.
Okay, B.
A and B also completed, ma'am.
Okay,
C and
still
D.
trying? Yes, C and D you are trying, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, first switch on your videos, ma'am. All of you. All of you. 53, 10, 59, 54. All of you switch on your videos and try.
My video is on.
Okay, okay. If you complete this, inform me, okay? Yes. Anyone completed? Yeah, the question is write a program to read a line of text.
Ma'am, C
and
completed, ma'am.
C completed. Okay, share your screen.
Ma'am, can you see?
No, 1 second. I'll stop sharing.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes. Can you explain this?
Ma'am, so first,
First, you are taking a string, right? Hello? Hello? Are you there? Ashraf?
yes, ma'am. So first we are taking a string and splitting it, and
Okay.
split. So wherever it finds a white space, it splits it into a list, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
So then we are taking another variable and indexing it to, like, we shouldn't display the first zeroth index. So I'm splitting it from 1 to the last word, ma'am, or element.
Okay.
And in string 2, we are joining all those with space in between, ma'am,
Okay.
and directly printing it here, ma'am.
Okay. So execute now and take the string as India is my country.
Ma'am,
Execute this and give the string as a India is my country. Okay. Okay, ma. Very good. All of you understood this? Hello? Respond, ma. All of you understood this program? Or shall I explain? Hello? 53? Divya, Mobin. Okay, ma. You can leave. Sorry, you can stop the sharing. Okay? All of you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can stop sharing, Ashraf. Have you tried the D? Hello? Will you try the D question also or shall I explain?
we'll try, ma'am.
Okay. Make it fast.
Ma'am, can you share the questions once?
Okay, 1 second. I will share. Zoom చేయాలంటే ఎలా మేడం ఈ word లో? Zoom ఎలా మేడం ఇందులో word లో? నేను ఐఆర్ఈ వెబ్సైట్ నుంచి వచ్చాను. అవునా, షేర్ స్క్రీన్ అనగానే అన్ని స్క్రీన్స్ ఓపెన్ ఇందులో. ఓకే, కానీ దీనికి జూమ్ చేయాలి కదా, నేను ఫంట్ సైజ్ పెంచేస్తా. Are you taking this question? D question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Anyone completed C? Remaining anyone? Reply me. Any one of you completed C in a different logic? Yes? Bhagyasri, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Have you
I'm doing, ma'am.
completed C?
Yes, ma'am.
Same logic or different?
Same logic, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, try it now. D. Write a program to read a string and count how many times each letter appears. All of you switch on your videos, ma'am. Hello? Lavan Reddy, Divya, Aditya, all of you, Dheeraj, Deepak, switch on your videos. Hare Krishna, Aditya, Dhruva, switch on your videos. Bhagyasri, Bhavyasri, Yam Sai, all of you switch on your videos first and completed this program.
Yes, ma'am.
Remaining anyone completed this? Only Ashraf or anyone completed this? Reply me. Hello? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Remaining anyone completed? If anyone completed, share the screen and show me. Who is sharing? Are you completed or not?
Completed, ma'am.
Yourself? What is your name?
Ma'am, Ashraf only, ma'am.
Ashraf only. Remaining people not completed.
Completed, ma'am.
Okay. Share your screen and explain. Share your screen. I will stop sharing. Share your screen. What is your name? What is your name? Who is that? Who has completed? Hello? Hello? Who is completed? Except Ashraf. No one completed the program. Hello? Are you there or not? Who said completed right now? Who said Deepak? Yourself? Yes, Deepak, you are completed.
No, ma'am, I'm still lying.
Hare Krishna, yourself?
No, ma'am.
Roll number 10, yourself?
No, ma'am.
Mobin?
Doing, ma'am.
Bhagyasri?
Doing, ma'am.
Okay, make it fast. Dheeraj, have you completed? Lavan Reddy, have you completed?
Doing, ma'am.
Roll number 18. Roll number 18. Are you doing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed?
I'm still doing, ma'am.
50, roll number 50. Roll number 50, are you there? Who is roll number
Yes,
50?
ma'am.
Have you completed?
Doing.
Okay, Astra, share your screen and explain.
1 second, ma'am.
Huh.
Ma'am, are you able to see?
Ah. Explain the alignment.
Ma'am, so first we take it. First, we take a different a string, ma'am. Maybe even a sentence would work.
Okay.
And I'm defining an empty dictionary, ma'am.
Okay.
So first, I'm like taking each letter in the string, ma'am.
Okay.
If this letter is not there in dictionary in the keys of the dictionary, ma'am, I'll create a new dictionary with that letter, ma'am. It's creating a new dictionary with that letter with value 0. And below if, ma'am, the dictionary 1, the value, the I is a key, ma'am. So the key and the dictionary, as this is an integer, the dictionary 1 plus 1. So the dictionary one's key value adding 1, ma'am. And now I'm putting each of values here, ma'am. So
Run the program.
1 second. Yeah, ma'am. As here I kept space, ma'am. So even space it's considering as some string, ma'am.
Okay. All of you understood this? Yes. All of you understood, else shall I explain? Shall I explain once again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, stop sharing. I can explain. See here. First, my question is, 1 second, I will paste the question. So question is, write a program to read a string and count how many times each letter appears. Okay, first understand the question clearly. Okay, so first you should write a string and count the each one. Okay, how many times each letter appears, that is the question. Okay, so here first, how can you take the string? By using the input function. Here I'm taking the string. Okay, so here you just either should give the string. Okay, now here I'm taking the empty dictionary. Okay, here I'm taking first empty dictionary. Everyone understanding this? Yes, reply me. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here I'm taking the for loop. Okay, so here what I'm doing is, by using the for loop, here I'm going to the string. For example, I'm taking the string as a histogram. Okay, just consider here I'm taking the string as a histogram and I'm iterating the each character. Okay, by using for loop, I'm iterating each character. Ch means each character, right? First it can go for first character and again it can go for next character until up to end it can go for the all of the characters. And here next statement is dict of ch equal to s dot count of ch. Okay, so dict of ch means this. First you can consider h and h equal to s dot count of ch. That means first it just count the how many times it came. Okay, so first it can count the h as 1 and next again I am taking the for loop k comma v in the dict dot items. Okay, that means again it can go for the items. What are the items we have actually? These are the items. Okay, so k and v in a dict items. So here I want to print the letter appears. So Here K and V are the items, like how many times these letters are appear. So if I executed this, for example, I'm giving the name as hello. See here, H letter can appear one time and E letter can appear one time and L letter can appear 2 times. Okay. O letter can appear one time. Have you understand this? Yes. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Yes, ma'am, understood.
Okay, I can explain some more programs on strings, okay? Here the question is write a program to display the unique words from the string. Okay, see here, this is the question, write a program to display the unique words from the string. So first, I'm taking the input function to take the input from the user and assigning that string to the str. Okay, now, so when you are taking the string from the user, then you want to split that total sentence. Okay, you just want to split that string by using the split function. Okay, which function you can use to split the string? Which function you can use to split the string? Which function you should use? String dot split function. Okay, by using the split function, you should split the string. For example, if you have hello friend, how are you, then this can be splitted by using the split function. Okay, understood? By using the split function, we can split the entire string. Okay, have you understood up to this line? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here I'm just splitting the string and assigning this to the L. Okay, and then what I'm doing is just printing the splitted string. Okay, so here just actually first I'm taking the string as a hello friend hello. Okay, now by using the string dot split, here I'm splitting the entire string and printing. Here just printing the L. Why? Because here the splitted statement is assigned to the L and then I'm printing the L. Okay, inside the L, the string was splitted and the items are hello, friend, hello. Okay, these three words are available inside the L. Okay, now here I'm taking the L1, that is empty list. Okay, first I'm taking empty list with the name L1. Okay, now I'm taking the for loop, that is for I in L. What is the L here? Which one is splitted? That is the L here, right? That means hello friend hello, this is the L. So here the for loop is going to this hello friend hello, and if inside the for loop I have a condition, that is if I is not in L1, L1 dot append of I. That means if I is not in L1, that means what is the I here? I means each element. Okay, if I is not in L1, so here at first this is empty, right? This is the empty list. So first it can go for, by using the for loop, it can go for the first element hello. Okay, so the I is not present before inserting. Okay, we are first iterating the first element. So first time this is empty, L1 is empty. So when we are iterating, it can go for the first element and checking the condition. If I is, what is I here? Hello. This I is, this hello is not in L1, then we can append this to the L1. Okay. So when this element is not present before, then only you can append this element. Okay. Have you understood this? Have you understood? Yes? Reply me. Again, I'm saying here, first I'm taking empty list with the name L1, okay? And going for the for loop. Here, for loop, what here for loop doing? For I in L. What is L here? L means this one, hello, friend, and hello. These three elements here inserted inside the L. Okay. So by using for loop, I'm going to the hello, friend, hello. So here I means iterating the each element one by one. So first it is going for the hello. First element is hello, right? So it's going for the first element, that is hello. So inside the for loop, we have the if condition. What is the condition here? If this hello is not in L1. What is L1 here? Empty list. Okay. So here hello is not present, right? Here my condition is if the hello is not in L1. So up to now we are not inserted any elements inside the L1, right? So here checking this L1 is present. Inside the L1 this hello is present or not. So first time this L1 inside the L1 hello is not present. So if the element is not present, then only you can append this hello to the L1. Okay, are you understood? Roll number 10. Have you understood? Roll number 15.
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Okay, so first time this hello is not available, so that it was appending to the L1. Again, it can go for the friend, that is next element. By using the for loop, it can go into the next element, that is friend. So what is the condition here? If I is not in L1, so this friend is not available, right? Inside the L1, inside the L1 we have only hello, right? We appended only one element, that is hello. So the friend is not available. So a friend is not available, so that we are appending this friend to the L1. Okay. So here by using for loop, we are going to the next element friend and checking the condition. Here the condition is I means next element friend is not in the L1. If the friend is not in L1, then we can append the friend item to the L1. So here the next friend is appended to the L1. So inside the L1 we have up to now two elements. What are they? Hello and friend. Now again it can go for the third element by using the for loop. Why? Because for loop can go for each element, right? So up to two elements completed. So now it can go for the third element. Third element is hello. So here the condition is if I is not in L1. Here I is a hello, right? Third element. So here hello not in L1. Here hello is not in L1, but here inside the L1 we have already hello, right? Yes, are you following? Yes. Reply me.
Yes, ma'am.
So here hello is already present inside the L1. That's why this hello again will not append. Why? Because here the condition is if hello is not in L1, then only you can append. But here hello is already present, right, inside the L1. So that we are not appending. Okay. Now string equal to empty string first I am taking. Now again I am taking the for loop. Okay, and iterating the all the elements which are presented inside the L1. What are the elements present inside the L1? Hello and friend only. Two elements present inside the L1, right? So here I am iterating the all the elements and printing the string, okay? By using the for loop. Have you understood this? Ashraf, have you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Here just we are displaying the unique words by using the for loop. All of you understood? All of you. Yes. Are you there? Avinash, Deepak Reddy, switch on your videos. Are you understood this? Roll number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Note down this program. And next, Dheeraj, switch on your video. Avinash, roll number 27.
Yes, ma'am.
Avinash, switch on your video. All of you. 25. Have you understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Hari Krishna,
Yes, ma'am.
switch on your video. Aditya Vardhan. Once you finish writing, inform me. Okay? Are you writing or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, note down fast. Once you completed, inform me. All of you completed, note down it. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed? Yes, completed. Shall I go for next program?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I give a program? Anyone can try? Yes. Shall I give a program or shall I explain? Reply me. Shall I give a program or shall I explain the program? Shall I explain?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here, this is the only one line code. So here, just showing the alignment of the string, okay, by using the dot format. All of you know the dot format function? Yes? Have we know or not? Reply me, please.
Yes, ma'am.
So here what I'm doing is, this is the left shift operator, okay? If you are giving this symbol, that means it can take the spaces, okay? Here I'm taking the 10 column with space, okay? This is the, indirectly this can defining the, it can, that string can reside in between, okay? And remaining left side and right side can, it can take the 10 column with space, like here this side 5 column width and this side of 5 column width. If you take the 10 column width space, if you give the 10 column width space, then it can take left side 5 columns width and right side 5 column width, okay? And this is the right side, right shift operator, okay? So if you are giving this symbol, then it can be, the string can be allocated after the 10 column with space, okay? So by using the dot forward function, I am taking the 3 strings, those are butter, bread, ham, okay? So here inside the curly braces, first I am taking the colon and the symbol and a 10 column with space. Okay. So see here, if you executed this, here butter can be executed. So it can accessing the butter, okay, with the 10 column with the space. Next, here I'm taking the cap symbol. This can define a 5 column with left side, 5 column with right side, and the string is a bread. Bread is reside in between, okay. And next, here I'm taking the arm, and this will be reside only a right side only, okay. And before the a string, it will take a 10 column with, okay, 10 column with space it can take. See here, this is the string alignment, okay. By using this operator, it can take the 10 column with space at a right side, and by using this cap symbol, it can take the space of 5 column left side, 5 column right side. That means string will be reside in between, okay, middle. And by using this symbol, it can align the space before the string of a 10 column width. Have you understood this string alignment? For example, if you want to print any tabular format output, for example, student name and student category, like that, if you want to print any tabular format output, in that situations, you can use this alignment, right? Have you know, or else any medical bill. In that time, you should print within the tabular format. In that time, you should give some spaces, right, for a patient name and medicine and the cost and what are the medicines you should take. For that, you should give some spaces in between. For particular column, you should give that column should be reside in between the line, right? For in that situations, you should use this string alignment. Have you understand this? Have you got any idea about this? Yes. Shall I explain next program? Yes. Shall I explain next program?
Yes, ma'am.
So see here, write a program to accept a string and replace all the spaces by the hash symbol. Okay. So write a program to accept a string. That means you can take the input function to accept the string and replace all the spaces with the hash symbol. That means you should give some string with the spaces and replace that space with the hash symbol. That is the question. First understand the question, and next, first for taking the string from the user, you should give the input function, right? When you are giving the input function, then the user can give the input by using the input function, and I'm assigning that to the string. This is the variable name, okay? Now here string 1 equal to, here I'm taking the only inverted commas, okay? So now here I'm using the for loop, okay? By using the for loop, I'm accessing the string which was entered by the user. That string I'm accessing, okay? So here, for example, here I entered the